Gurudev, when we were in school, exams were a big deal, and then entrance exams, and then job interviews. It feels like the goalpost is always changing. Why am I really here on this planet?
This question you hold on to. This question will keep you on your goal again and again. Once you achieve a goal, you cannot keep the same goal. It's impossible. You have to move forward. So once the exams are over, and then you wanted to go into the entrance exam, that's finished, and then there is other. The goal post should keep moving as you move in your life. As you grow, your ideas grow, your consciousness grows, your mind grows. So when you are growing, definitely you will have to keep changing. You can't have the same jacket till you are 60. Don't you find your pants getting loose or your shirt getting loose? Of course, dhoti is a free style and at every age you can wear it. There are certain things that are permanent goal in your life, like being honest, building a very strong character, having a goal for the nation. Some goals are lifelong goals. Suppose you are deviating from your goal, then when you ask, why am I doing this? What is the purpose of my life? This spirit of inquiry can keep you on track. It will take you towards the highest goal in life. Yeah.
Gurudev, in today's time, so many marriages are failing. So do you think it's a good idea to have a live-in relationship with your partner for a few years, check the compatibility and then get married?
Want to know a person before you want to commit? You can. But you can't have the same criteria all the time for everybody. Different criteria works for different people. You have to see. For some people, everything works in the beginning and later on it doesn't work. For others, for example, the arranged marriage, in the beginning things don't work, but later on they work fantastic for people. Not all marriages are failure, and not all love affairs are success. Either way, keep one thing in mind. You determine to be happy and not to be shaken by your partner. Another thing, in relationship you should come from a space of contributing in the relationship. If both partners are coming from a mentality of what do I get, clashes will happen. But if the partner decide to contribute to each other's growth, they understand each other's weakness and help each other to come out of their weakness, then you will see there is more bonding.
Gurudev, physical intimacy is very normal in a live-in relationship. So sex is acceptable before marriage?
Well, see that your charm is not lost and people don't use you, and after few days what I have heard, that people get bored with a person and then they move on. Relationship should be seen beyond just intimacy, which you can call as infatuation as well.